In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance, step by step. First, open the Binance app or website and log into your account. If you're new to Binance, tap Register, create an account, and complete identity verification, KYC, because most payment methods require a verified account. Once you're logged in, go to the home screen and look for the button, Buy Crypto. Tap it, then choose the method you prefer, such as credit/debit card, P2P trading, or balance if you already have funds in your account. Now, select BTC, Bitcoin, as the coin you want to buy. In the Spend field, enter how much you want to pay in your local currency, like $50 or $100. Binance will automatically show you how much BTC you'll receive, including any fees. If you're using a card, choose or add your card details and confirm your billing information. If you're using P2P, pick an offer, check the seller's rating, and follow the payment instructions carefully. Before you finalize, review the amount, the price, and the fees. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm or Buy. Complete any bank or security verification if asked. After the purchase is successful, you can see your Bitcoin in your funding wallet or spot wallet, depending on the method you used. From there, you can hold, trade, or transfer it to another wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.